Hello, my name is Veronica. Today we are going to learn about temperatures. I know I can use a thermometer, but I want to see if there's another one. Today we have some silicone ingredients and an heat sensing cup, the icicle mode, and a mixing cup. We're going to take some of the silicone and put it into the mixing cup and the heat sensing cup. We are going to open the cup in the first ingredient. Gather it. Then we are going to put some of this inside of the cup. Ready? I'm going to put the lid on the cup. I'm going to shake it up a lot. I'm going to carefully put it into the ice cream. Now we are going to wait, and I am going to wait until it's hardened, and then I'm going to have a new thermometer to see is it hot or cold. This thing has chemicals inside of it, and it changes color when it's hot or cold. It's white when it's hot and it's blue when it's cold. I'm gonna test stuff in my house when stuff are hot or cold. Is it time yet? Oh man, this is gonna take forever. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. It's ready. I'm going to take it out of the mouth. Now I am going to take it out. Look, it's an ice cup. We are going to test this out to this cup and this cup. We have ice water and warm water. So it changed to blue. Now we're going to do the warm water. And it changed back to white. When something's cold, it's blue. When something's warm, it is white. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 49 degrees Fahrenheit.
First, I'm going to try this one. It's a cold day out, so I think it's going to turn blue. Is it getting there? It's not turning blue. Is it turning blue? Maybe it's not cold enough now. I think it's a little cold when I put it on it. It's turning blue. I knew it was cold outside. I guess there are other ways to tell temperature. I hope you like my experiment and definitely try it out yourself. Bye. Thank you, bye.